Last Wednesday on my one and only official Instagram profile, I asked you to ask me anything, and we are going to go through some of your questions together right now. Hello, I'm Crypto Casey, and welcome to another AMA episode where we go through questions you submit on my Instagram story. If you like this sort of content format, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know what you think in the comments below. Let's hit it. Please be sure to check out our sponsors, Coinbase, NordVPN, and Tangem Wallet. Break free from traditional finance and take control of your financial future with Coinbase, the leading all-in-one crypto platform for both beginners and advanced traders alike. Protect your data, privacy, location, money, and crypto from hackers and big businesses, as well as your ability to access information governments censor from us by using NordVPN, a trusted and extremely easy to use virtual private network, and get direct access to and take complete ownership of all of your digital assets by using a cold storage hardware wallet like Tangem Wallet. My limited edition 3 Pillars of Blockchain wallet featuring a multicolored set of cards, each with a unique design that represents the decentralization, transparency, and immutability aspects of blockchain tech, is available now while supplies last. So scroll down and use links below to access the correct and official sites, as well as redeem any special offers they have for us. Alright, while going through these questions, please note none of this is financial advice. These are just my random wild guesses, so make sure to let me know what your random wild guesses are in the comments below. Thoughts on the bull market is already over sentiment. According to the moneyline indicator we have been using for about a year now to monitor changes between bullish and bearish trends, which our community can get for a massive discount using the link below. We've technically been in a bull cycle since January 2023, with a bearish fake out here in September 2023, and just 2 weeks ago, at the time of this video, we have flipped back into a bearish trend, which we discussed in my latest video. And my random wild guess is this was another bearish fake out, and more specifically, accurately, a bear trap. And it could possibly have been the last dip before the next phase of the market cycle that could be playing out right now, the optimism phase, where the majority of the market believes the rally is real. How confident are you that we're going to have another bullish trend soon? When do you expect alt season to begin? I'm still optimistic that we are early on in the crypto market bull cycle. And my random wild guess is the altcoin season starts around October, November of this year in 2024. Do you think this bull run won't be as significant due to money in chasing the meme coin sector? No, I think this bull run will be as significant, if not more significant, than previous ones due to multiple factors like institutional money flowing in to the market from spot ETF approvals, crypto becoming a major political issue in the upcoming US elections, as well as around the world at large. And sure, I think the meme craze is a little played out, and I'm looking forward to when the technology matures, gains adoption, and the market starts pricing in fundamentals rather than speculation. You ever gamble on some long shot meme coins? Yes, I have used Morales Money to find newly minted meme coins before they're listed on popular websites like CoinGecko. Most of them did not pan out, but Pepe hit for me last year. So in the end, it did luckily turn out to be profitable, despite the majority of the dice I rolled resulting in losses. Do you dabble in leverage trading now or in the past? No, I've never done it, and I do not recommend it. What's one thing you wish you did differently early on in your investing career? The number one regret, which turned out to be one of the most valuable lessons in investing in new speculative assets and technology like cryptocurrencies, is not taking profit when I was way up. In my first crypto bull cycle, I had invested around $10,000 total over the course of about 1 year, and my portfolio at one point was worth about $300,000. And I only sold one position I had in EOS and made about $12,000 worth of profit, which I ended up using to pay off my student loans. That was great and it was awesome. However, it was a long, painful bear market where I couldn't help but regret not selling more. 25K, 50K, 100K, the almost 300K of profit. Man, that would have been like 5 years worth of my salary. Life-changing at the time. So take heed, everyone. Take profit. And if you want to watch a step-by-step guide on how to take profit in crypto, check out this video guide for beginners by clicking on the link above. As the crypto market continues to be rocky, any other investments you like? How to hedge. The best thing we can all invest in is in ourselves, specifically focusing on increasing our skill set in order to increase our income and income streams to ensure we have as much consistent cash flow as possible we can use to constantly invest over time, and to have cash on hand to invest in any unique opportunities that arise in the short term. Guess for the local bottom. How much more do you think Bitcoin and Ethereum will drop? My random wild, very optimistic guess is that 53K price point Bitcoin wicked down to a couple of weeks ago was the local bottom. As for ETH, same thing. I'm optimistically guessing that the wick down to 2,800 was the local bottom. Let me know what your random wild guess is in the comments below. What's your price prediction for Bitcoin at this bull run? Some of y'all are not watching these videos or looking at my answers to these questions on Instagram because this is the most popular question I receive. So I'll say it louder for the people in the back. My random wild guess is Bitcoin hits 100K November 17th of this year, and the peak price it will reach this bull cycle is $169,420 by March 25th next year, 2025. Price prediction on Solana. My random wild guess is that it at least hits its previous all-time high of around $260, and if the bull cycle continues, which I believe it will, we could potentially see a 2x. My optimistic take is Solana does probably a 4x from its previous all-time high due to high activity on the network, potential ETF approval, etc. So let's say it hits around $1,000 this bull run. Is the Sol ETF taking place? Yes, and my random wild guess is that it gets approved this year. As far as when the funds actually launch and go live, depending on how late in the year the approval happens, it could roll over into 2025. Did you invest in the Bitcoin ETF? No, I did not. If someone doesn't feel technologically savvy enough to self-custody their Bitcoin, or if someone is looking for a tax advantage arrangement where they are investing in a 401k, IRA, or a SEP they have through a traditional financial broker like Fidelity, etc., then the spot Bitcoin ETF is a nice option. iTrust Capital is a better option though because you can buy, sell, and trade Bitcoin, a lot of other cryptocurrencies, as well as gold and silver, all tax-free within your own IRA or individual retirement account, or roll over your existing 401k with them. They have a clean, easy-to-use interface, great customer service, no management fees, extremely low trading fees, and I've been using them for my own IRA and SEP now for several years. So scroll down and use the link below to access the correct and official site, as well as redeem any special offers they have for our community. As for me, in addition to iTrust Capital for tax advantage crypto retirement accounts, I'd rather completely own and control my Bitcoin using cold storage hardware wallets instead of having a third party custody my assets in an account that can be frozen, restricted, or seized by the government. Essentially, when you allocate money to a spot Bitcoin ETF, the most accurate way to technically describe the investment is that it gives you price exposure to the price of Bitcoin. Sure, you own the Bitcoin on paper, however, you do not have direct access to or complete control and ownership of it. There are pros, cons, risks, and rewards associated with investing in spot Bitcoin ETFs versus buying it directly from an exchange like Coinbase and transferring it to your own crypto wallet. So to completely own and control all of your Bitcoin and digital assets with your own cold storage hardware wallet, check out Tangem wallet. It only takes like a minute or so to set up. It's great for beginners, and it's the easiest, most affordable crypto wallet on the market right now. So scroll down and check them out. How will ETH Layer 2s perform the rest of 2024? My random wild guess, based on the charts of Polygon, Optimism, and Arbitrum, we can see they are all in bearish trends, haven't been performing that well, and since it was a popular narrative last bull cycle, a few years ago, more likely than not a different narrative will be more popular. There will be a lot of sell pressure as people that have been holding lost positions over the years start to sell as the prices start approaching last bull cycle's all-time highs. So my prediction is they may reach previous all-time highs and a bit beyond, maybe a 2 to 4x of their previous all-time highs. However, I don't think they will be the best performing cryptocurrencies this bull run. Let me know if you agree or disagree in the comments below, and which narrative you think will outperform the rest of the market. What happens to the market if no rate cuts? Considering we haven't had low interest rates since March 2022 and have been increasing from the 0.25% to 5.5% in July 2023, holding that rate for a year now, the crypto markets are likely to continue rather consistently. If rates dropped, it would be bullish for crypto markets, while a raise in rates would be bearish. However, that happening is less likely to happen from a probability standpoint. Tell us the possible scenarios of crypto after the elections. If it's a Trump victory, the bull market will more than likely rage and rage hard. Very, very bullish, especially considering his recent VP pick, JD Vance, is extremely pro-crypto. If Biden wins, we would still technically be in a bull cycle. However, it would be a lot more mild. Let me know what you think will happen after the US elections in the comments below. Will Metaverse have some traction in the next bull run, or is it a lost cause? Metaverse projects were definitely overhyped prematurely, so a lot of early speculators got burned, which is a hurdle the narrative will face. And I think we are still too early on technologically to see compelling, immersive, affordable, and widely adopted metaverse situations hit the scene anytime soon, especially in this bull cycle. Do you have a financial advisor you recommend in the Southwest? Honestly, finance has changed so much that a lot of advisors' knowledge isn't that relevant anymore. And even 10 years ago, before things started changing in the financial realm, the thing about most financial advisors is they are just sales guys that sell pre-packaged BS for a commission. They don't really actually actively do anything, yet charge you management fees and make commission on any pre-packaged financial products they convince you to invest in. What is your educational background? I have a bachelor's of science degree in finance. How did you get into making YouTube videos? I had always wanted to start a personal finance YouTube channel because I've always been into the subject since I was a teenager. However, I never really started it because there was a lot of competition. Most of the successful ones were older males, completely different demographic than me. So it wasn't until around 2016 when I started actively investing in crypto after discovering Ethereum that I realized there was not a lot of information about crypto, how to buy crypto, how to store it, how to use crypto wallets. All of the information was scattered across different Reddit posts, random websites. It was just extremely difficult to figure out how to do anything in a straightforward step-by-step way from a trusted source. So I saw an opportunity to fill that need for education and information in the space and decided to give it a go. I started the channel a couple of bull cycles ago back in 2017, and here we are now. Big thanks to all of my subscribers and supporters out there helping spread awareness of crypto so we can try to create a better future together with a more trusted, inclusive, transparent global financial system. Should I keep learning how DeFi works? Oh yes, 100%, because it's the future of finance. And to make things easier for everyone, you can check out my ultimate DeFi guide for beginners by clicking on the link above for a solid foundation to build more knowledge off of. What is liquidity in a crypto project? What does the amount of it say about a project? Liquidity is a fancy financial term that just describes how fast and easy it is to convert an asset into cash. Three main qualities that determine liquidity of an asset are the amount of active buyers and sellers, how frequently buying and selling is occurring, and the total amount of money being exchanged. An example of a less liquid asset is a house because it takes some time to list it, find potential buyers, and then the purchasing process can take days, weeks, or longer. An example of a very liquid asset is Bitcoin because we can simply send our Bitcoin to a crypto exchange like Coinbase and sell it instantly for cash. In the crypto market specifically, if a certain token is newer, there aren't a lot of buyers and sellers, there isn't a frequent amount of buying and selling happening, and the total amount of money in the project is low, then it has low liquidity, meaning converting it to cash wouldn't be as fast and easy as a project with high liquidity. People get burned in low liquidity scenarios when, for example, they buy some obscure crypto with a low market cap, meaning the total amount of money in the project based on the supply of circulating tokens multiplied by the price of the token. And let's say the price suddenly skyrockets, and most of the people holding the token all start trying to sell at the same time to make a profit. However, there is nobody on the buying side trying to buy what they are putting to sell. When this happens, the price starts plummeting, and they're more often than not left holding a loss. So to check the liquidity of any cryptocurrency for free, we can go to Morales Money using the link below. And here under the 24-hour trading volume column, we can see the total amount of money being exchanged between buyers and sellers for the past 24 hours. And then under the 24-hour buy pressure column, we can see the total increase or decrease in the amount of money being exchanged between buyers and sellers over the past 24 hours. And if we click on any of these coins, like this one for example, scrolling down to the analysis section, we can see how much liquidity has changed, the total trading volume, changes in buy pressure, as well as buyer growth, all over specific time periods. We can choose from 10 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, and 1 quarter. This gives us a good idea of how much liquidity any given cryptocurrency has before deciding whether or not we want to trade it. So again, we can see all this information for any crypto across different blockchain networks for free with Morales Money, which if we are interested in their paid services like the Moneyline tool we've been using to monitor bullish and bearish trends in the market for over a year now, our community can get access to it and more for a nice discount using the link below. So scroll down and check it out. Tell us about Tangem. Kind of funny that someone asked that because I feel like I talk about it all the time, but don't mind if I do. This is how fast and easy it is to become your own bank and set up a secure cold storage hardware wallet in less than 60 seconds using Tangem Wallet. Opening the box, here we have 3 cards with a new sleek matte black design, unless you get the limited edition. Next, installing the correct and official Tangem mobile app on our phones and opening the app, tap scan card and touch one of the cards to your phone like so. Next, click create wallet and tap the card to your phone again. Nice! Now that we have a wallet, let's create backups of it. Tap backup now and then tap add a backup card and tap the second card to your phone. Cool! Now tap add a backup card again and tap the third card to your phone. Then tap finalize the backup process, and now we need to create an access code to secure the wallet. Tap continue, then type in whatever word, phrase, numbers, or combination of text you want to use to access your wallet. Re-enter it to verify the access code, and then scan the primary card, ending in the corresponding numbers on the screen that matches that card, holding it to your phone until the operation is complete. Then repeat this process for the other 2 backup cards. And that's it, it's configured and ready to go. And if you'd like to watch a full video of how to use Tangem Wallet and all of its features, check out this video guide by clicking on the link above. And again, specifically for us, Tangem is offering the 3 Pillars of Blockchain limited edition 3-card set I created with unique, colorful designs that represent the decentralization, transparency, and immutability aspects of blockchain technology that make it a superior alternative to TradFi, like fiat money in the banking system. So scroll down and use the link below to get yours while supplies last. Will you be testing the Tangem ring? Yes, I am waiting for my order to arrive and I'll make a video about it for everyone. What exotic vacation trip are you doing this summer? I actually haven't been traveling as much this year so far. The world has been kind of crazy and crypto is heating up, so I want to be more available to keep tabs on that. Did you buy your supercar? Not yet, I'll wait until after this bull cycle. I want to have as much cash as possible to take advantage of other investment opportunities first, and I need to figure out which one I want because there's so many options out there. How old are you? How many cats do you have? Y'all can guess my age in the comments below, and I have 1 cat, Katla. I have 2 cats, Lyra, and 3 cats. This is Asher. She showed up a couple months ago in my backyard. Awesome. If you would like to learn more about Tangem Wallet, how to set it up step by step, and all of its cool features, check out this video. To learn more about how we can prepare for altcoin season and learn how to use DeFi or decentralized finance apps in Web3, check out this video. And to get a limited edition 3 Pillars of Blockchain Tangem Wallet, click on the link on the screen. Like and subscribe for more. Be safe out there.